Good morning and happy Friday. On today's Friday Mortgage Minute, I'm going to talk to you about VA renovation lending. So the VA renovation program is still a VA loan, which is 100% finance, and then to it we can add up to an additional $50,000 worth of repair work or renovation work. So who are the right borrowers in this case? So let's say a veteran wants to. Maybe they find a house that's just dated and they just don't like it. Okay, cool. We can add up to an additional 50,000 in renovations. Or let's say they're buying a house that is in rough shape. Sellers just don't have the equity or are willing to fix anything. Okay, cool. Still not a problem. Let's just use the example of a new roof. Okay, so let's say $10,000. So what we can do is we can add that cost of the new roof onto the loan. So we close the loan in its current state. We pay everyone out. We pay the sellers off, and then from there we work with the borrower's contractor to replace the roof. So if there's any scenarios you are interested in or have any questions, let me know. Thanks.